I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious coffee using a French press. First, you'll want to gather your essential ingredients: fresh, whole coffee beans and clean, filtered water. Next, it's crucial to grind your beans just before brewing. Aim for a coarse, even grind similar to sea salt using a quality burr grinder. Finally, heat your water to the ideal temperature, which is between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Achieving the perfect cup starts with the right measurements. A good rule of thumb is to use a coffee-to-water ratio of 1 to 15, meaning 1 gram of coffee for every 15 milliliters of water. This ratio provides a balanced and flavorful brew. Remember, a coarse grind is key. It prevents tiny particles from slipping through the filter and avoids over-extraction, which can lead to a bitter taste. The precise water temperature also helps extract the best flavors. Now, let's get to brewing. Carefully add your freshly ground coffee to the bottom of your clean French press. Next, pour the hot water evenly over all the coffee grounds, making sure they are fully saturated. Give it a gentle stir with a non-metal spoon to ensure all the grounds are wet. Then, place the lid on top, but don't press down yet. Allow the coffee to steep for exactly 4 minutes to achieve a rich, full-bodied flavor. After 4 minutes, it's time to press. Slowly and steadily push the plunger straight down, using even pressure. Avoid pressing too quickly, as this can disturb the grounds and create a muddy cup. Once pressed, immediately decant all the coffee into a separate carafe or your mug. This stops the brewing process and prevents your coffee from becoming over-extracted and bitter. Now, you can savor your perfectly brewed French press coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.